it's Sanjana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell from the title, today is gonna be an H&M Zara haul. I'm so excited because I got such amazing stuff from there and I love to make hauls. If you are new here, my name is Sanjana. This is my Instagram, so make sure to follow me over there and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post every week and I am a fun person to watch. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into the video and start with H&M first. I have some fun stuff that I got from H&M recently. To start off, I got a pair of socks which are like 5 pairs for 600 bucks. I think 100 bucks, 150 bucks for a pair is like good enough, so I got it because I don't wear socks and my friends like give me a lot of or not wearing socks in my shoes. So to everyone who has a problem with me not wearing socks in my shoes, I got socks. Okay, so relax. The next thing that I got is this super cute mint green turtleneck top. The material, it is ribbed and it's super cute. I haven't worn it yet, but I am definitely gonna pair it with something super cute and I'm really excited to wear this top. I will find it on the website because I've got the tags of it, so I don't know how much it is for. I got this top in a size XS as well, so I only mostly wear XS in H&M, but when it comes to Zara, sometimes I can go to an S because those tops fit me as well according to like what kind of a top it is, like a crop top or like a normal top. The next thing, oh my god, I have wanted this for like such a long time and I'm so glad I saw it in H&M because I was like, you know what, it's time for me to buy it. I got leather pants, guys. Oh my god, leather pants are such an essential in your cupboard and I didn't have them for the longest time, so I'm so glad I got them because black leather pants are something that you can pair with anything and they're absolutely cute. These are, I think I got for 1500 bucks in a size Euro 32 in the H&M sizes. The next thing that I got is this black satin robe. I'm sure y'all are confused if you follow me on Instagram. You're like, wait, what? She already had this? But no, I was using my best friend's robe, the exact one which she had. So I finally got one for myself. This is for 1500 bucks as well. And then I got some lingerie which is TMI, so I'm not gonna show y'all that. And last but not the least, my most favorite item from my H&M haul is this. I'm gonna like fix it and show y'all this corset top. It is so cute. I am so obsessed with the pink champagne that it is in. Like, it's such a cute, elegant color. So that was it for the H&M clothes that I got. Now on to the Zara shopping, which I did on the 50% off sale that was going on, and I love some of the things that I've got from Zara so much. To start off is these pants have cuts on the front. I got it in a size XS because I just feel like S is like a little loose for me. Then the next thing that I got from Zara, oh my god, I have wanted this for the longest time and I'm so happy I got it. It is bell-bottom jeans, guys. Oh my god, bell-bottoms were like such a big thing last year and I didn't have them, and now I finally have them and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wear them because I have wanted them. And the original price of these bell-bottoms is 2.3 I think, and I got it for 1500 bucks in the sale. And can you believe it? That's like a straight steal, right? Like getting it for like almost half, not almost half, but like a much lesser price than you would usually pay. And there was just one piece and I'm so glad I got them. I got it in size Euro 36. Usually I wear a 34 in Zara, but this was like the only piece that I saw on like a random rack, so I was like, I need to get it. And I do like my little trick of like putting the, you know, thing behind to make it like tighter. The next thing that I got are like two tops, super basic but super cute. I got this bodycon top, which is ribbed obviously because it's Zara. It is in like a dark blue shade. I really like it. It fits really well. I'm super excited to style it as well. This one is for $790 and the original price is $1,700. Can you believe it? Zara, thank you so much for keeping the sale, because I don't know what I would do without that. And then the last top that I got was it super basic, kind of neon, not neon, what? Nude, kind of like nude shade, like it's a pink but it's not a pink, you know. It's super basic. I really like the tying details on the side, super cute. It's for $790. So yeah, that's about it for my Zara haul as well. I will try and link down everything that I got and I will find it on the website, but if I don't, I'm sorry, because I shopped all of this from the stores, so I probably, if I don't find it, then you should probably just go and visit the stores and find it. But that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification every time I post a video. Let me know which was your favorite piece that I bought, and if this video was helpful to you. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, because I always like I'm active over there and everything. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys next time.